All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the HBAR family. Appreciate you guys as always. But yeah, let's get right in today's topic. Really understand what's happening with HBAR and of course what we could be expecting going into Sunday morning. If we're looking across the board, Saturday was a great day. We did see quite a bit of green across the board, and that green is continuing to go into Sunday morning, which of course, like I said, is a good thing to see. As far as HBAR is concerned, it's up 5.8% over the last 24 hours, with the price currently sitting at 29.1 cents, up 5% in Bitcoin comparative, with the market valuation back above $11 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at about 740.3 million. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's start off by taking a look at what's happening with the Bitcoin Dominance Index. So if you're looking at the Bitcoin Dominance Index, it has been continuously pulling down, and this is an amazing sign. As you guys know, if you follow my channel day in day out, this is something that I pay very close attention to. And the fact that dominance is pulling down, this is great, especially if you're an altcoin holder, if you're HBAR, XRP, whatever the case may be. If you're an altcoin holder, you do want to see this number pulling down, and that's exactly what's happening right now, which of course is really nice, and it's worthwhile pointing out. But if you're looking at Bitcoin, I want to switch our focus towards the hourly time frame to really understand what happened with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin had that retracement down to that $93,625 a few hours ago, but Bitcoin has made its way back up. We retested the likes of $96,000, almost $96,000 a few hours ago, but got rejected due to significant amount of resistance. But we need to remember, we are in a weekend, and on the weekends we do tend to see more manipulation than usual due to CME futures being closed. So more manipulation, but we did see a shakeout for Bitcoin, but a little bit of a recovery while the dominance is continuously falling down. Again, a beautiful sign that we are going to see altcoins showing strength, and that's what we're seeing happening right now. So now that we have this out of the way, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with HBAR's price right now. So you can see this for yourself on the daily time frame. The price of HBAR has been able to make its way back up to the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. But what's really interesting, and again, I've said this several times on my channel in the last few updates, you can clearly see what I'm about to share with you, even if you kind of take a look at it on the daily time frame. But let's shift our focus towards the hourly, and let me show you guys what I mean as to what's really happening. So HBAR, and let's take a look at the hourly time frame. Here we are. So what's quite interesting here is we actually did end up retesting this key support line, but we never managed to break below it. So if you somehow manage to get some HBAR around this range, had your buy orders placed in to dollar cost average around the 27 cents mark, you did see HBAR go up 12.16%. Yes, that's correct, 12.16% move. If you picked up HBAR last night, and you did see the price go back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, exactly what we've been speaking about, the significant amount of bullish momentum that HBAR is showing despite a lot of volatility within the crypto markets. It speaks for itself. A lot of people will ignore it, and what I mean by a lot of people will ignore it, retail investors, that just focus on when the candles are green and market is just going up, they only focus on that, but just completely forget a project that's up 800% and consolidating the way it is. It should not be ignored by any means. But we're back in the 0.50 fib zone. If you are an HBAR holder, you don't want anything else at this point, and I repeat, you wouldn't want anything else. If you're already hoping for all-time highs, and that's the only thing that you're looking out for, then I really want you guys to look at it from a realistic standpoint. But you are back in the 0.50 fib zone. We saw that close in the 0.50 fib zone. Amazing to see. And I would not be surprised if we start heading back up to our wick that we did see at that 30.4 cents a few hours back. Obviously, significant amount of resistance around that range. Bitcoin also saw a little bit of a minor pullback since that wick, all the way up to almost $96,000, as I stated to you guys before. So kind of explains why we did see a little bit of retracement. But I am totally okay with the way HBAR is currently holding. The fact that it's in the 0.50 fib zone speaks for itself, and slowly but surely we will start heading back up to the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. One thing, of course, I want you guys to realize is that the 24-hour trading volume is still quite low for HBAR compared to what we have seen a month ago. that was around like a billion, to 5-6 billion, and obviously that has decreased right now. But I do believe that will organically return, and we do see the prices start heading back up to some of these new all-time, I wouldn't say all-time highs, but your new yearly highs, which of course would be really nice to see. And obviously we are approaching the New Year's, which is insane to think about. Look, 3 days left, guys. As of recording this update, of course, today is the 28th. Today's the 29th. I'm actually losing track. Can you believe it? I'm losing track of the days at this point. But literally 3 more days until the year of 2024 comes to an end. So crazy to think about this, and I wish you guys the best of luck for the year of 2025. Hope it's the most successful year, not just crypto related, but in your personal life, and just hope you guys achieve everything you guys go for it. But yeah, I'm loving what I'm seeing right now for HBAR. Let me know down below what you guys think. Hit that red subscribe button if you have not done so already. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.